Not every steam locomotive was built to break records. Some were built to go where others couldn't. The GWR 7800 Manor Class was one such workhorse, lighter, leaner, and vital for Britain's countryside rails. By the 1930s, the Great Western Railway needed a lighter locomotive for routes too fragile for the heavier halls and granges. So, the Manor Class was born, a 460 engine using parts from old 4300 class moguls, fitted with a new, lighter Swindon No. 14 boiler. The first 20 were built before World War II, with 10 more added in 1950 under British Railways. But it wasn't all smooth steaming. Early performance was underwhelming, poor drafting and high coal consumption. It wasn't until post-war modifications improved airflow and combustion that the Manors lived up to expectations. Despite their rocky start, the Manors proved versatile. From the Cambrian Coast Express in Wales to banking duties in Devon, they became vital to rural branch lines thanks to their light axle load. All were withdrawn by 1965, but against the odds, 9 were saved. Most were rescued from Barry Scrapyard, with some even returning to mainline service in preservation. Today, you'll find them at heritage railways like the Severn Valley and Didcot, still steaming into the hearts of railway fans. The Manor Class may not have been the most powerful, but they were the lifeline of light rail and a true symbol of British railway resilience. If you enjoyed this journey into steam history, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have you seen a Manor Class in action? Let us know in the comments.